So hello everyone, welcome to TryNet Back 365. Myself Sujit. So today in this session we are going to see a new operator, that is membership operator. So what is membership operator? How to check this membership operator? How to create each and everything we are going to see in this session. So to achieve membership operator, we are using our two keyword. One is in keyword and one is combination of two keyword, that is not is a keyword and by the help of this in. So what is the use of membership? By the definition of this membership means we are taking some membership, just like that in Python. Membership is nothing but it will be searching a element that will be available in a sequence or not. Guys, sequence or collection data type same means if you are going to give a sequence and inside this sequence whatever the element you want to search, if it will be available, then in that case it will be calling as your membership. Means based on your availability of your membership element, it will be throwing as your output as true or false. Make sure that whenever you are going to check membership operator, it's always give you output as in the form of boolean value, that is true otherwise false. So in case of your in, so what is in will be saying that if the searching element, if the searching element is available in the sequence, available in the collection or sequence, okay, then the in operator, okay, in operator will give the output as true, output as true otherwise, okay. Otherwise, if the element will be not available, then in that case it will be gives you false. And the opposite of not in will be opposite of in. Means if that particular element will not available, then in that case it will be gives you the output as true. Okay. If the searching element will not available in the sequence, in that case, not in gives the output as true. Means if it will be not found, then in that case it will be gives you true, otherwise it will be gives you false as my output. Okay, now we are going to see some example related to this, then we can get a clear picture on that. Okay, now I just want, means if you are guys checking that one in one, then guys if I'm going to print this one, okay, just see guys, if I'm taking now just I want to run this one, means I'll take a searching element called one and I need to search in a single value only, in one only. Means it will be checking that one will be available in one or not. So it will be gives you type error. Means argument of type int will be not a iterable. Means in the right hand side you need to give a sequence or iterable, means collection of different type of data types. Okay, so it will be not possible. So means your integer, float, complex and boolean will be not possible. Now we are going to only checking with the help of your collection. So I'll take hello world. Okay, I'll take a string. Guys, means in the session also we are going, I'll give you some related to the your interview question, might be they might be asking in the interview, means there are some tricky question also will be there. Now if I'm going to check that D, means guys if I'm giving D in S, means S is a collection and I just give a D only. If I'm going guys give you D only, then it will be throwing an error, because if you want to searching in a string, that particular searching element also you can give in the form of the string only. Okay, now if I'm going to give that particular thing, now it will be checking that particular element, means the D string, it will be available in the particular strings or not. If you are guys see that here, it will be give me true because D will be available in the string. Okay guys, now one more example. Okay, I will take D not in, okay, means I want to take not in S. Now in that case, it will be telling that if it will be not available, then true. But D will be available. That's why it will be gives you false as my output. If guys I am taking a space, guys just see. Means I will take a character D and a space. Okay, means this will be consist of two character. If you are guys in taking this string, here there will be no idea about D and space. That's why it will be not founding. That's why it will be gives you true. If you are giving in, then it will be give you the true as my output. Okay. So then guys, so I want to tell you one more example we are going to check. Okay. Means it will be searching that. So I just want to take a string called apple. Okay. So I want to check. Okay. AP in S or no means I'll taking two character. Okay, guys, just see if I'm taking two character, it will be checking true. Now, guys, just see if I'm taking AL means here A will be available and L also, but in this case it will be gives you false because in the search of your searching element, the way of your searching means AL, it will only finding A, then it will must to find L, but after A it will find a P. That's why it will be gives you the output as false. Okay, now I am taking a list. Okay, I'll take a list. Yeah. Now my requirement will be I want to check print 1 in L. Okay. I just see. Means now we know that inside this we are not checking the string. That's why if I'm giving 1 directly, it will be possible because my value are in the form of this integer only. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will be searching 1 will be available entire list or not. Okay, if this will be available, then it will be gives you the output as true. Now, guys, I am just taking apple here and here I just want to check A. Means I want to check in a list that A character will be available or not. Guys, it will be available, but it will be treated as an entire list of element. If I am giving apple, then only it will be gives my true. If I am not only passing one character, in that case, it will be gives you false as my output. If I am using in L, then in this case, it will be give me true as my output. I just see. Means based on your requirement, you need to pass A. Means it will be only finding A. If in that case, I am giving only A, then it will be gives me the output as me true. But if I'm taking entire apple and you need to search only A, in that case, it will be gives you the output as false because it will be checking entire things. Okay, guys. Now I just want to take a tuple. Okay. So inside the tuple, I'll take 1, 2, and I'll take 3, 4. Now I just want to search 2 in tuple or not. 2 in T. So we know that T inside this tuple 2 will be available. But guys, just see if I'm running this one, it will be gives me false as my output because your membership operator only checking the list, sorry, element of your tuple means it will be not searching for your nested tuple element because inside this tuple one more tuple will be there, so it will be not checking that particular entire tuple, it's only checking the entire tuple only. If here I just want to give 1 2 in T, then in this case it will be gives me true as my output because 1 2 tuple will be available but 2 will not available. If here I am giving 4, then in that case it will gives me true because 4 will be available in entirety. Okay, so this will be some question related to the list and tuple. Now we are going to discuss some question related to our then I can say that set only. Okay, means in the set how it going to work. If I'm taking a set, it will be how to searching and all. So I just want to take a set called 1 2 3 and 4 inside this. So we know that set will be only allowing the immutable data. So I'll take a string. Okay, now I just want to print 2 in set or no. So if I am guys going to run that, the Python interpreter will be taking these two and it will be start searching from this set only. Now if I'm giving S, so it will also give me the false as my output because it will be searching for only S, but it will be finding entire string. So it will be not possible. Okay. Now we are going to check in that particular things means that will be asked by your interview means some tricky will be available. Okay. So this is your genuine question that might be asked in the interview and I want to give you some more tricky question. Okay, so I just want to take a string. Okay, so I'll take Python 3.10. Okay, so my requirement will be I want to search Python 3.10. Okay, in S. If you see guys, if I'm running enter string inside the center, it will be search false. Why? Because here I am taking P is my capital, but here I am taking lowercase. Now if I'm guys giving is this as a capital, then only in this case it will be give me the correct answer. I just see it will be give me the means we know that Python is a case sensitive language. That's why it will be give me. So then one more question they might be ask you 3 in S means if you see we have a 3 in S and I want to search that particular thing. Guys, if you see it really gives you the type error. Guys, just see type error. In operator require a left hand side a string, but you are giving a integer. Okay, now if I'm giving a string only, then only it will be acceptable. Let's see, true. Okay, make sure that they might be asking. Okay, then the next question I want to ask you, I'll take a dictionary. Okay, we are not practicing also that particular dictionary, how the membership operator will going to work. So I want to ask some question or I will tell you how the controller will going to work. So now I just want to print 10 in D. Okay, now my requirement will be 10 will be D. It will be searching 10 will be D or not. Now if I'm guys give you that particular thing, it's taking that it will be false because 10 will be treated as my value, but it will be not checking for this value. It's always checking for the key only. Okay, now if I'm telling that X in D, then in that case, it will be gives you the true. It will be not checking value as my output. It's always checking the output as in case of your key only. If you are searching for your value, it will be not possible in your uh, dictionary. Okay, guys. So that's are the different type of question they might be asked you in the interview. Okay, that's all for this session, and we are complete with this membership operator. If you have any doubt, you can directly contact to TryRights. Thanks for watching TryRight.